What if your body wasn't just physical, but also a map of energy that reflects your mind, emotions, and spirit? Within you lies a universe, 7 radiant wheels of light, each spinning with the story of your soul. The ancients called them chakras, gateways of energy that bridge your body, your mind, and your spirit. To know them is to know yourself. Let's journey into the subtle science of energy. We all feel life force, that invisible stream of vitality within us. But ancient wisdom provides a map to understand exactly where that energy resides and how it flows. This map is the chakra system. What are chakras? The word chakra is Sanskrit, literally translating to wheel or disc. But in a spiritual context, chakras are defined as energy centers within your subtle body. Think of them not as physical organs you can touch, but as swirling, vibrant vortices of life force, often called prana or chi, that are constantly taking in and releasing energy. The good news is that you don't have to be a master yogi to work with your chakras. By consciously focusing your energy and intention, you can clear blockages, boost energy flow, and restore harmony to your subtle body. Here are several powerful practices you can use to balance your 7 energy centers. One of the most direct and accessible methods is meditation and visualization. This involves sitting quietly, taking deep breaths, and bringing your awareness to each chakra, one by one, starting at the root. Imagine each chakra as a spinning wheel of pure, vibrant light. Red at the base, orange in the abdomen, yellow at the solar plexus, and so on, moving up the rainbow. See the color intensifying, becoming clearer, and the wheel spinning smoothly. Hold this image for a minute or two at each center, feeling the energy awaken. Sound is a powerful tool for vibrational healing. You can use mantras or sacred sounds to resonate with and tune each chakra. The simplest form is using the seed sound or bija mantra for each center. For the root chakra, you can chant Lam. For the crown chakra, which is pure consciousness, the classic sound is Om. Vocalizing these sounds helps your subtle energy body literally vibrate at the frequency of the chakra, clearing stagnation. Yoga postures or asanas are physical keys to unlocking energetic blockages. Certain poses are specifically designed to activate and stimulate the glands and regions associated with each chakra. Tree pose helps open and stabilize the root chakra for grounding. Backbends like camel pose powerfully open the heart chakra, inviting love and compassion. Twisting poses stimulate the solar plexus and detoxify the abdomen, boosting personal power. Since prana, our life force, is carried on the breath, controlling the breath or pranayama is essential for balance. Practices like alternate nostril breathing, nadi shodhana, are particularly effective as they clear the Ida and Pingala nadis, ensuring the central channel, or Sushumna nadi, is open for balanced energy flow throughout the entire system. Energy healers often employ crystals and color therapy to assist the process. Each chakra is naturally attuned to a specific color and crystal. You can wear or place a root-associated crystal, like red jasper or obsidian, near your base to enhance grounding. Wear the color green or use rose quartz over your chest to open the heart chakra. By using these physical items, you introduce the pure vibrational frequency the chakra needs to recalibrate. Spiritual balance is maintained through your lifestyle choices. This includes nourishing your body with healthy eating, consciously practicing gratitude, and using positive affirmations related to the chakra you're working on. For instance, to balance your throat chakra, commit to speaking your truth gently and honestly every day. By integrating these practices, you move from simply understanding the chakra system to actively mastering your own energetic harmony. It's a lifelong practice that leads to profound physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. As we continue our exploration, let's view the chakra system not just as a column of energy, but as a comprehensive map of the entire human experience, charting our journey from material survival to divine connection. The 7 chakras naturally divide into 3 distinct tiers. The first 3 chakras form the lower triangle of consciousness. These centers govern our existence in the physical, material world. The root chakra handles our most fundamental need, survival and safety. The sacral chakra manages our experience of the world through emotion, creativity, and pleasure. The solar plexus focuses on our identity in the world, willpower and personal power. These lower centers are vital for grounding us, establishing our sense of self and empowering our ability to function successfully in life. They are the foundation of our energetic health. The next 2 centers act as the middle bridge, linking the physical and the spiritual. They deal with our interactions with others and the world around us. The heart chakra is the center of pure connection, love, compassion, and unity. It's the meeting point of the lower and upper realms. The throat chakra governs how we share our inner world, communication and self-expression. A balanced middle bridge is what allows us to form meaningful relationships, express our authentic selves, and live harmoniously with our community. Finally, the upper triangle moves beyond the ego and the physical world to govern our spiritual reality and expanded consciousness. The third eye is the doorway to inner knowing, intuition, wisdom, and perception. The crown chakra completes the ascent, representing enlightenment and connection to the divine. The essential message, balance is everything. Understanding this map reveals the single most important message of the chakra system. Balance in all areas is essential. You cannot build a strong spiritual life on a shaky foundation, trying to focus only on the higher chakras, seeking wisdom and enlightenment while neglecting the lower ones. Your stability, health, and personal power is like trying to build a roof without walls. It will inevitably lead to instability and imbalance. True energetic harmony means nurturing all 7 centers, ensuring the vital life force of prana flows freely from the earth, through your being, and to the cosmos. The chakra system is the instruction manual for your soul. We encourage you to use this map to navigate your inner world and unlock your highest potential. This profound understanding isn't new. The concept of chakras has its roots in ancient Indian traditions, particularly within the Vedic texts, which are some of the oldest scriptures in the world. The system was further developed and formalized through the philosophies of yoga and tantra. For thousands of years, these traditions have used the chakra system as a core principle for physical, mental, and spiritual development, a way to ascend consciousness from the most grounded material needs to the highest spiritual realization. So what is their ultimate purpose? The chakra system's primary function is to facilitate the continuous flow of energy that sustains life and consciousness. They act as translators, converting the raw energy of the cosmos into forms that can be used by the body's systems, from your glands and nervous system to your emotional state. In essence, the chakras are the infrastructure for the fundamental connection between body, mind, and spirit. They dictate your state of health, your emotional resilience, and your spiritual clarity. Understanding them is the first step in mastering your own internal energy landscape. And in the next section, we'll dive into the first of these 7 essential energy centers, the root chakra. To truly grasp the chakra system, we first need to understand the fundamental concept of energy flow within our being. Imagine a vast, intricate network of rivers and streams that carry the very essence of life throughout your entire body. Not just the physical one, but your energetic body too. This vital life force energy is known in Sanskrit as prana. It's the breath of life, the force that animates all living things. From the air we breathe to the food we eat and even the thoughts we think. Prana is the underlying energy. This prana doesn't just float aimlessly. It travels through specific energetic pathways called nadis. Think of nadis as the subtle equivalent of your nervous system or circulatory system. While there are said to be tens of thousands of nadis, 3 are considered primary. Ida nadi, associated with lunar energy, coolness, and the feminine principle, flowing along the left side of the spine. Pingala nadi, associated with solar energy, heat, and the masculine principle, flowing along the right side of the spine. Sushumna nadi, the central channel running directly up the spine through which spiritual energy, kundalini, ascends. Now, where do the chakras fit into this intricate system? The 7 main chakras are crucial points where these nadis converge and intersect most powerfully along the Sushumna nadi. Here the prana intensifies and spins, forming those energetic wheels or vortexes we discussed. Each chakra acts like a regulating station, a transformer that not only absorbs prana from the universe, but also processes and distributes it to specific areas of your body, mind, and spirit. They're like energetic hubs, vital for transmitting and balancing the flow of life force. When prana flows freely and unimpeded through the nadis and each chakra is balanced and aligned, you experience optimal health, emotional stability, and spiritual clarity. It's like a well-tuned engine, running smoothly and efficiently. However, if a chakra becomes blocked, overactive, or underactive due to stress, trauma, diet, or negative thought patterns, it can disrupt this flow. This imbalance can manifest as physical ailments, emotional distress, or a feeling of being disconnected. The goal of many spiritual practices like yoga and meditation is precisely to clear these blockages, restore the free flow of prana, and bring all the chakras into harmonious balance. This alignment allows you to tap into your full potential and live a life of vibrant well-being. Now let's embark on a journey through the 7 primary chakras, moving upwards from the base of your spine to the crown of your head. Each chakra represents a fundamental aspect of human consciousness and experience. First, at the very base of your spine, between the anus and genitals, is the root chakra or Muladhara. Its vibrant color is red and its element is earth. This chakra is your foundation. It governs your sense of safety, grounding, and basic survival needs: food, shelter, security, and your connection to the physical world. When balanced, you feel secure, stable, and have a deep sense of belonging. Moving up to the lower abdomen, just below the navel, we find the sacral chakra, or Svadhisthana. Its color is orange and its element is water. This chakra is the seat of your emotions, creativity, sexuality, and pleasure. It influences your ability to experience joy, passion, and connect with others intimately. A balanced sacral chakra allows for fluid expression and emotional well-being. Located in the upper abdomen around the stomach area is the solar plexus chakra, or Manipura. Its vibrant color is yellow and its element is fire. This is your center of personal power, confidence, and willpower. It governs your self-esteem, your ability to manifest, and your gut feelings. A strong solar plexus chakra gives you the drive to achieve your goals and stand in your truth. Right in the center of your chest is the heart chakra, or Anahata. Its soothing color is green and its element is air. As its name suggests, this chakra is all about love, compassion, and harmony. It's the bridge between your lower, more physical chakras and your higher, more spiritual ones. A balanced heart chakra allows you to give and receive love freely, fostering deep connections and empathy. Moving up to the throat, we find the throat chakra, or Vishuddha. Its calming color is blue and its element is ether, or space. This chakra is your center of communication, truth, and self-expression. It governs your ability to speak your truth, listen effectively, and express your authentic self. When balanced, your voice is clear and resonant, and you communicate with integrity. Located between your eyebrows is the third eye chakra, or Ajna. Its deep color is indigo and its element is light. This is the seat of your intuition, perception, and inner wisdom. It allows you to see beyond the obvious, access psychic abilities, and gain insights. A balanced third eye chakra brings clarity, mental focus, and a strong connection to your inner guidance. Finally, at the very top of your head, we reach the crown chakra, or Sahasrara. Its radiant color is often depicted as violet or pure white, and its element is cosmic energy or spirit. This chakra is your gateway to enlightenment, pure consciousness, and your connection to the divine. It represents spiritual wisdom, universal love, and transcendence. When fully open, you experience oneness with all that is. These 7 chakras form a powerful energetic column, each influencing the others and contributing to your overall well-being. So how do you know if your energy centers need attention? When your chakras are out of alignment, whether overactive or underactive, they manifest symptoms on every level of your being. Recognizing these signs is the first step toward healing. An imbalanced chakra can deeply impact your emotional and mental state. You might experience persistent feelings of anxiety and fear, often linked to a weak or blocked root chakra, making you feel unsafe in the world. Anger or irritability, potentially stemming from an overactive solar plexus leading to controlling behavior, or a blocked heart chakra causing resentment. Confusion or brain fog, a sign that your third eye chakra might be struggling to process information clearly. Lack of purpose or drive, indicating issues in the solar plexus, personal power, or sacral chakra, passion and creativity. Overwhelming grief or isolation. This is a clear signal that the heart chakra is contracted and struggling to process love and connection. Because the chakras govern specific areas and organ systems, an energetic blockage can translate into physical symptoms. Keep an eye out for fatigue or low energy, a general sign of sluggish prana flow, often starting with the root chakra's lack of grounding. Digestive issues. Problems like stomach ulcers or consistent bloating are often associated with an imbalanced fire element in the solar plexus. Perhaps the most profound sign of chakra imbalance is on the spiritual level. When the energy flow is restricted, you may feel chronic headaches or sinus problems, physical signs of imbalance in the third eye. Thyroid or throat problems, direct indicators of a blocked throat chakra, where unexpressed truth has become stuck, lost or disconnected, a sense of wandering without direction or feeling separate from the people and world around you. A lack of meaning, questioning the purpose of life or feeling cynical about the universe. Spiritual emptiness. This often points to a closed-off crown chakra, hindering your ability to receive universal wisdom and experience higher consciousness. If any of these signs resonate with you, it suggests an opportunity for deeper healing. While the chakra system is rooted in ancient philosophy, its concepts are more relevant now than ever, having been adopted and interpreted by modern psychology and the global wellness movement. Psychologists often view the chakra system as a map of the human psyche and developmental stages. In this psychological lens, each chakra corresponds to a major life issue or archetype that must be resolved for healthy maturation. The root chakra relates to the developmental task of trust and basic security formed in infancy. The solar plexus mirrors the adolescent struggle for autonomy and self-definition. The heart chakra represents the mature ability to establish intimate, unconditional relationships. Viewing chakras this way helps us understand that emotional blockages aren't just energy issues. They are often unfinished business from our psychological and emotional history. The wellness industry has widely embraced these practices for their profound therapeutic benefits. The same techniques once confined to ashrams are now mainstream holistic therapies. Meditation and visualization are used globally for stress reduction and mental clarity. Sound therapy, utilizing gongs or singing bowls, is valued for its ability to shift brainwave states and resonate with chakra frequencies. Reiki and other energy healing modalities are popular hands-on methods for channeling prana and clearing energetic stagnation directly. The ultimate modern perspective is this: the chakra system is an empowering tool for everyday self-care. While rooted in centuries of spiritual tradition, you don't need to be a mystic to benefit. Integrating practices like mindful breathing, colored light visualization, or simply walking barefoot on the earth to activate your root chakra are powerful, practical ways to take ownership of your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. The more you work with your energy, the more vibrant your life becomes. We've journeyed through the 7 spinning wheels of your subtle body, from the grounding red of your root chakra, all the way up to the divine violet of your crown. The core takeaway is this: chakras are not just mystical, they're a powerful symbolic language for understanding yourself. They offer a direct, actionable map connecting your deepest physical well-being to your highest spiritual aspiration. The state of your chakras tells the story of your life, where you feel safe, how you love, where you exert your power, and how clearly you speak your truth. You don't have to overhaul your entire life to begin this work. We encourage you to start small. Choose one simple practice to integrate into your daily routine. Try a 5-minute meditation focused on visualizing the color green in your heart chakra. Use journaling to explore what the themes of one chakra, like security, root, or expression, throat, mean to you right now. Incorporate a simple yoga pose like a balancing pose to strengthen your connection to the earth. The energy system is responsive. Even small shifts in awareness can create noticeable changes in your physical and emotional health. Your energy is your most precious resource. Take time to tune into your own energy centers. Listen to the wisdom they offer. The ultimate journey to balance and wholeness doesn't require searching outside yourself. It begins and ends within. Remember, your energy tells the story of your life. When you align your chakras, you awaken the power to heal, to love, to create, and to rise. The universe lives within you, waiting to shine through every breath, every word, every action. So don't just listen, live this truth. Take a moment today to breathe into your center, to meditate, to move, to speak, to love, to see, and to connect. Because balance is not something you find, it's something you create. If this message spoke to your spirit, share it with someone who needs light today, and join me on this journey. Subscribe, follow, and let us rise together in the power of our own energy. Until next time, Universal Consciousness signing out.